Hello there everybody, Cameron Thomas here, Project Manager with Consortium Services. Today I'm going to show you another feature in Tabs, how to manage the time clock. We've already talked about scheduling and dispatching as well as building shifts in Tabs in some of our previous videos, but today I'm going to show you how to review a time clock and how to monitor your employees' activities. Tasking and scheduling is one thing, but if you want to see what they're actually doing, and how long it's taking, so that way you can adjust your tasking and billing requirements, then this is how you do it. So from the dashboard, you're going to come up here to Analysis, Time Clock, and there's a couple different options here, and I'll go into detail about both of them. But the first one is Time Clock Detail. This is going to show you a couple of different options as far as displaying information for time clock goes. The first one is by date range, so you could change the date range for the last week, let's say, and it'll show everything that your employees have been doing over the last week. This is my information here. Or you could do it by user, or both. So as you can see here, this lists all of my various things that I've been up to and the total hours that I've accumulated over the last week or so. Next, if we go to time clock summary, instead of organizing it by user so much, it organizes it by self-initiated task. So as you can see here, and you've seen some of these in the past, it has a list of all of our self-initiated tasks, whether it's network service support, workstation, programming, project management, that sort of thing, or dispatch, which is tasks that have been dispatched for each employee. And you can see that there's actually a date range here, so we'll set it up so that it's for the last week again. Search. And you can see how much time that each one of our employees has spent doing various tasks. Now if you're an administrator, you're able to not only view this information, but you're also able to edit it. And in order to do that, you go up to Administration, Time Clock, and Manage Records. From here you'll be able to add a time clock entry in case one of your employees or yourself failed to properly account for their time. And you'll be able to select the employee, what it was they were doing, reference and location like we've seen throughout the rest of the Tabs program, and then notes on it, as well as a start and end time. In addition, you can also look into the details of each person's project, what they've been working on. In this case here you'll see that for me, this is one of the Tabs items that I submitted earlier today that was talking about Project Manager involving a website change and some coordination with one of the clients we're working with. So you're able. Lastly, one of the features that we have, and I'll go into more detail about this somewhere down the line, but we also have the ability to export reports. And you'll go up here to import export, and then we have this hours report that we're able to export as needed. What we'll do in this case is we have it set up to go between a date range, and like I've been using the example, we'll go between the 15th and today on the 21st, and we'll download it. The time clock information will be filled out and exported into an Excel spreadsheet or similar format. That concludes this tutorial on time clock management for Tabs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.